You know how to build the portfolio website using AI, but now you want to know the real ways to find clients. Then here are the two ways I used to get the clients. There are no theory, no fake guru advice. These are the methods I personally tested and it works. So let's get started. So first thing that came to my mind was Reddit when I thought about finding a client, because I have talked to many people on Reddit to find a client, and I have found clients and I have got scammed, and yeah, there is ton of things happens, but there's something I have learned and really helped. First I will show you how to get this done in the right way. Come over here in the search bar and type something like need a portfolio website. Here when you search that, you can find people are posting about they want a developer or white coder to make them a portfolio website, and here you can see a ton of posts. Here all we need to do is select one, so let's get selected from the top. Here looking for someone to build a portfolio website, and this was 19 hours ago. I just posted on WordPress jobs. I'm a student and I need a website to showcase my works, and can afford about $20 an hour, and but I love to hear the conversation of anyone interested. And that's so simple post, and I think this is a genuine guy. If my past me would find this post, then all he would do is just go here and just grab and start chat. Okay, that's the thing you should avoid. Before starting any conversation on Reddit, you should always remember to comment on it before starting a conversation. Comment something like, what are you working with? What are the projects you are working on? Okay, what are the projects you are folks are working on? What are the projects you are working on? Okay, that's a genuine comment and he would love to talk about it, so just comment it. Okay, now we post on that comment, and all we need to do is just so come over here and then go to start chat. Let's just talk about related to the comment. Okay, so hi, let's just hi, and then say I saw your post and I want before getting start with the portfolio. I'm curious about the projects you are working on. Okay, that's okay. This simple text. Wait, let me just. Okay, and then paste this and send it. Okay, this three tests genuinely start a curiosity in that person's mind, and he will definitely start a conversation. Like he will love to. And if someone if I posted this, if think like if I posted this exact post on Reddit and a person come into my chat and say something like what's your project you are working on and something like, and then I would love to talk about that project. That will definitely spark about starting a conversation, and then we can carry on adding about details about portfolio and start the conversation going on. Before doing anything, always remember to grab that email first. Sometimes the person maybe forgot about the Reddit and going to some Insta or somewhere else. Always remember to grab the email or the Insta ID to keep the conversation going and make it connected to the project. And this is a one way of finding the client, and I won't say this is the simplest way. I find new posts and Reddit people's daily, like 20 people a day, and most of them replied back, and some of them were replied back after 3-2 months later. Okay, some people just forget using Reddit. And there is one more thing I want to say before I move to the second way. Always check the time it posted. Like if the post is between a week, then it's a good chance you get a client. And now let's go to the second way. The second way is simple. Start an online presence. Create a YouTube channel or an Instagram account and start posting quality content. That way you can get more and more clients. You can grow fast and get more money. And that's a second way. When we compare with the first way, Reddit is the easiest way to get clients. I mean, if you want a quick money, you can just test like 20 people or 30 people a day, and then you can get about maybe 2-3 clients maximum. Okay, you can get 2-3 clients, that's for real. But starting a YouTube channel or starting a Instagram account, posting quality contents can get you more and more trustable clients day by day. Okay, you don't have to do anything, just post quality content and you get clients. That's also a fact. And there is one thing you need to remember is always remember what your audience are and then create content related to them. Okay, create quality content, you will grow. And also remember, post every day, and discipline is also part. And that's the two ways. The first way, Reddit, which is the quickest way, and second way is YouTube or starting a YouTube channel. It's a long time process but definitely works. Okay, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next awesome video. Thank you for watching.